Good morning, students. Today we start new chapter number 13, exercise 13.1. The name of the chapter is surface area and volume. In the previous video, we discussed the formulas of this chapter. In this exercise, the question number 1 is statement is a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 6.5 centimeter deep is to be made. It is to be open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of sheet required for making the box. The cost of the sheet making for it. If sheet measures 1 meter square, cost is rupees 20. This is the question. So this is the box. This box is open from the top. Open from the top. This is the length of the box 1.5 meter. This is the breadth 1.25 and this is a 1.25 meter and this is 65 centimeter is the H. So length of box is 1.5 meter, breadth of box is 1.25 meter and height of box is 65 centimeter, which is 0.65 meter. So first we find the area of sheet. Area of sheet for making the box. As in the statement, the box is open, so its area is twice into L into B plus 2 into BH plus H into N. This is the area. This is the area of box. 2 into length breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Because the box is open, so we take this as L into B. This is the length into breadth plus 2 into BH, breadth into height plus length into height. So area of base is twice of length into breadth. This means there is L into B. This is 2HL. So when we draw this figure, the area of base, which is length into breadth, is included, but the area of top, this means area of roof, is not included because the box is open. So the length is 1.5, breadth is 1.25 plus 2, breadth is 1.25, h is 0.65 plus 2, h is 0.65 and L is 1.5. So this is 75, this is 30, 37, this is 80. So this is 1.875. This is the area of this. Here we take 2 into 0.65 common. This is 1.25 plus 1.5. So this is 1.875 plus this is 1.30 and this is 2.75. This is 1.875 plus this is 1.3 into 2.75. 1.875 plus 13.5 is 65. So 13.7 is 91. 91 plus 6 is 97. So this is 9, this is 26, this is 35. So it is 3.575. When we add these, this is 1.875, this is 3.575, this is 10, 5, this is 13, 14. So this is 5.45. So 5.45 meter square is the area of sheet required. As cost of 1 meter square is rupees 20, so cost of 5.45 meter square is 20 into 5.45. This is 20 into 4, 5 on 10. This cancel out. So this cost is 2, 5 is 10. This is 9. This is 10. So its cost is here 100. This cost is rupees 109. This is the cost of the sheet required. In second question, the statement is the length, breadth and height of room. Length of room is 5, breadth of room is 4 and its height is 3. So find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 meter square. So first we find the area of room. Here the base is not included, so its area is length into breadth plus 2 into BH plus 2 into HL. This is the area. In this question, there is a room of length, breadth and height. What cost of whitewashing is to be found, which is at the rate of 7 rupees 50 paise per meter square. But the floor of the room is not whitewashed, so its area is length into breadth, 2 into breadth height plus height into length. In this, length is 5, breadth is 4 plus 2, breadth is 4 and height is 3 plus 2, height is 3, length is 5. So this is 20, this is 12, 24, this is 30. So this is 54 plus 30, which is 84 meter square. This is 44, this is 74 meter square is the total area. As the cost of 1 meter square is rupees 7 rupees 50 paise, so cost of 74 meter square is 74 into 750 by 100. This 0 is cancel out. This is 2, this is 15, this is 3, 37. So 15, 7 is the 105. This is 45, 55. This is the cost. This means the total cost of whitewashing is 555. This is the total cost. In question number 3, the statement is the floor of a angular hall has a perimeter of 250. We are given perimeter of rectangular hall. Rectangular hall is 250 meter. If the cost of painting the floor 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 meter square is 15,000, find the height of the hall. First in this question, first we find the area of 4 walls. Area of 4 wall is 2 into length plus breadth into height. This is the lateral surface area of 4 walls. And perimeter of hall is 2 into length plus breadth, which is equals to 250. So this is L plus B. This is the area of the perimeter of the hall. This is the perimeter. So cost of 1 meter square is rupees 100 or rupees 10. We are required to find, first we find this is the cost. So cost of 250 meter square is 10 into 250 2500. This is the cost of 250 meter square. So the area of hall is, we are required to find the h for this. This is the total cost is 15,000. The value of this is 2500. This is the cost of painting this. This is the height. So h is 15,000 on 2500. It's cancel out. So the height is 6 meter. In this question, the perimeter of rectangular hall is 250. First we find the area of four walls, which is 2 into L plus B into H. Perimeter of hall is 2 into L plus B. This means the value of this area is 250. First we find the cost of painting this area. So cost of 1 meter square is 300 and cost of this to be painted is 2500. So this the cost of this is 2500 H. So H is 6 meter. This is the height of the hall. Thank you.